Whoa, 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 whoa. We moved the whole car. Hold on. Hold on. That's not supposed to move. Put a tire here. Put a fucking tire here.
Here we go. We're putting on coilovers. Haha.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say. If you guys find anything that needs like changing, que sea algo fácil o que sea, me avisan.
Está bien, pa.
Say,
We'll let you know right away.
yeah,
When we need you, you're here and there. Probably we're gonna need you here, bring stuff here and there.
yeah.
Makes it easier for us.
Hell yeah.
You want to use el sistema de inicio.
All this work to get to that. To get to 2 damn screws.
Why is it weird? There you got it.
Look at all this damn hair. What the fuck?
Solo otra llave. Always too big for that shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. We moved the whole car. Hold on. Hold on. That's not supposed to move. Put a tire here. Put a fucking tire here. Let me see one of my chichachas there. What chichaja you got over there? Give me the big one. Do you have another night? Oh, you know what? Do we have 19 llave abierta?
No. Well, we did.
I mean 17s. I gotta have 17s. Sammy, and yellow bag.
The yellow bag.
There should be a 17 there.
Okay.
Open rim. Just go like that first.
Look where the rim is at.
Put it on first.
Telling you, the thing's gonna sit on the lip. All right, flush. Who knows? God, this shit is fucking heavy.
Where's the nuts?
Right there in the door.
Which door?
The door over there in the garage.
This is for this rim. Oh, they're all here.
Yeah. There's one lock for each one.
You can see that the gap closed a lot.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's nothing. Deja que baje.
Not, I'm telling you.
Va a bajar más. Por eso es que te digo que ahora hay que estar fastidiando con él por un buen rato.
lock and the thing.
Don't do the lock now. Here. Baja un poquito, Steven. Muñeca. Dije muñeca, no dije más nada. Aguántate, Steven. Baja un poquito más. No, suelo. Suave. One. Okay. Where's my crowbar? Me está cayendo la tierra en los ojos, espérate.
Tengo gafas ahí. Gafas de espejuelo.
Put it over the brake line.
Suelo un poquito más. Un poquito más. No, bájalo. Porque no está trabajando. ¡Oh! No tan rápido, mijo. Dale un poquito más para abajo. Ok. Alright. No me da más alternativa que meterle lo guapo. Y cuando algo me da un challenge, I like the challenge. ¿Tú tienes otro de estos que no sirva, Steven? Ya, pues no es la buscamos. Claro que no tiene. Yo sé que yo tengo ahí. Bastante que tengo. Te digo, Sam. Te digo que esto es lo que te estoy diciendo. Solo un poquito, Steven. A ver. Ahí, aguántate. Dale otra vez. Cacho, me cago en 10.
Coming out, but not the top.
Ok, dale para arriba. Ok, aguántate. ¡Niet! Son buenos. Bájalo, contigo. El de arriba no se está moviendo. Nothing.
Done over here. No, it's done.
Yes, Steven. I want to hold it up here. You're gonna go slowly on this rope. Okay? There's gonna be a reason why you have to go slowly.
Oh man, you should have done it the other way.
I can't do it the other way.
Yes, put that key over here.
Oh,
I can't reach it with this here.
let me know. Let me know. ¿Dónde está la llave?
Now we gotta do the fronts.
Huh?
Now we're doing the fronts. Ooh. Look at that. Wow. There was 4 inches there between that tire and that. I know, guys. I know it's dirty. It won't be for long.
Ah, Chucho, dame. Yo creo que es 17, Steven. 17 Ey, quédate aquí, pescado. ¿Dónde tú vas? Hey, fish.
Big one?
This doesn't fit, does it?
For what?
For here.
Oh, yeah, don't fit there.
Perdido hoy. Ay, hace tiempo que no saco uno de estos. Vamos a ver. ¿Ah? I think it's 17. No, mira, cambió, papi.
What is it?
I think it's a 14 or 15. 15.
There's no such thing as 15.
Okay, papi. Whatever you say, papi.
This is 15.
Told you. No, 14.
Exactly.
Exactly. Pues entonces, ¿para qué me traje eso? Te estoy diciendo una de las dos.
Saying the 14. No cars use a 15.
Mamau. Oye. Chacho, yo te digo, tiene que ser hijo mío.
That's a big chicharra.
La big chicharra. Tubo. El tubo. No creo, papi. No creo, papi. Okay, here goes. For sure. First, for sure.
Ay, Dios mío, ahora sí que se limpia.
Ya lo se fue ahí de frente, ¿verdad?
No, pero es porque está virado.
Yeah,
Diablo.
see, that's how I like it, like that.
Así se ve. Oh,
Yeah, así sí que they're gonna notice you.
this has got to be touching.
Oh, yeah, that's
No.
like this.
Es nada, pero yo creo que sí le da culo, pero no está tocando.
Look, yeah, it won't touch if you hit a hole or anything because the wheel goes in when you hit a hole.
Yeah.
You got one piece, so it shouldn't hurt you. Pero
Damn, that shit looks nasty.
Real nice.
Oh yeah, it's gotta look nice. Alright, now we gotta turn it on and drive it.
diablo.
Dale, Steven, dale tú, que yo quiero. I wanna get a shot.
Suave, porque ahora hay que ver.
That back, but those doors don't close with that back seat like that.
Let's put it on then.
All right.
I already put those things.
Yeah, we don't need to take that seat back off.
No, but don't put it on yet. Just drive it first.
We won't be able to close the door.
We can't close the door with this back seat. Okay. Yeah, but the back we don't have to mess around with the back no more because we could adjust it from the top.
Those things.
Okay, está bien. Just hook it up, guys.
Okay.
This side.
Hook it up.
Diantre, diablo, que hijo de puta se ve. Claro, papá, ¿qué? ¿Tú sabes cómo va a estar la... Wow, van a mamar bien duro. Diablo, y quedó ahí encima de la Acura TL chulo, quedó. Yo, those are the peoples right there. Those are my brothers right there. Those are the ones. So any of you people out there, near Massachusetts over here, they charge $500, but you could always make a deal with them. And they get your coilovers done real quick and professionally done. see ya. It is. There it is. And it took us, I got here, what was it? I think it was 10:30. Almost 11. No, I got here at 11. I got here at 11 and it's 2:23 right now. So 2 hours and a half. That shit looks nice. Those are the BC coilovers. Yes, sir. That looks nice. Well, that one right there, we gotta lift that one up a little. That one right there, maybe half an inch, and I'll be perfect. But this is my daily, so I can't mess it up. You know, it's gotta be reliable. It's gotta look good and be reliable. All right, guys, that's that.